Everyone will be taking a empty container like this. Draw the lines over it, mark it with the marker, make some patterns. Now after that, take a knife and then after drawing the lines, decorative items and trees, plants of your choice, take the knife and then we have to cut it out. So cut it very carefully, it's a little bit difficult, and then put the sand and mud inside it and plant the trees and it's done. Next, take another container and then in the same manner we have to draw different flowers and decorative items on the sides. Now using a knife you have to just cut it properly like this. Now put the leaves and then put a yellow color frill straw made and fix it in the between and it's done. Next, we have to take a orange color container, make the swan on it and then cut it out. After cutting it out, remove the extra part from the top like this. So cut it very carefully. Now after that, we'll be making its beak and cut it like this. Now you can fill the sand and mud inside it and then plant some trees and it will look very beautiful. You can decorate some flowers on the sides of it. Next, take a white color container and draw the dotted lines on it like this. Make the heart shape and then we have to draw the lines and then make the beak and then make its eyes and then we have to draw the lines like this. So here we are making a swan. Now we have to cut it out with the help of a knife. Fill the color like this and then remove the extra part after cutting it and it's done. Next, we have to take a blue color container, draw the lines on the back and the front like this. Now we have to cut it out with the knife. Now after that, we have to make the holes like this and then we have to cut it as shown in the video. After cutting it, we'll be removing the extra part from the top like this. Make the flowers and it's done. Next, we have to take a yellow color container and then we have to draw the dotted lines over it. Make the patterns like this. Now after that, we have to make the lines and then cut it out with the help of the knives. Now after cutting it out, we'll be drawing the lines on the top of it like this. And then we have to fill the mud inside it and you can plant some trees or you can make it a container and it's done. Next, take a white color container and make a panda over it. Now you have to take a knife and cut it out carefully as shown in the video. So after making the juice, you have to be very careful by cutting it. Now after cutting it from the top and the sides, now take another piece of it and cut it in the shape of the petals and fix it on the top and it's done. Next, we have to make an elephant over the container. Now take the knife and then cut its ears, trunk and the extra parts on the sides. Make its tail on the back and then remove the between part from it like this. Now after that, we have to make its trunk. Now you can decorate it by putting some flowers and trees inside it and it's ready. Next, we'll be making these hanging flower pots. So take a container, cut it out by rolling it like this. Now make the patterns over it like this and then take a knife and then you have to cut it as shown in the video. Now after cutting it, you can remove the extra parts like this and then you can take another plastic metal or plastic cup like this and then make some flowers over it and it's done. Thanks for watching.